guys, welcome back to Template Tutorials. In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to create a beautiful certificate like this. So without wasting much of time, let's dive into it. Alright, so first of all, we have to go to the Home tab and go to the layout here. So from the layout, we have to change the slide here to blank and then move on to the Design tab. So from the Design tab, we locate the slide size at the right side of your screen. So we then click on the Custom Slide Size. So we are going to customize it. So we come here, instead of the widescreen, we are changing it to A4. And because it's going to be a certificate, leave the slide here as landscape and then click on OK. And then finally click on maximize. Now, so the next thing again I would like us to do here is to simply go to the insert tab and go to shapes. We are going to insert this rectangle shape. So just click on it and come and draw a rectangle shape. So with this rectangle shape, I want us to right click on it and go to format shape. So when you do so, the properties of this shape will appear at the right side of your screen here. So when it comes, you then go and click on the fill here. So the fill, you can see that the solid fill has been selected. That's why the color is blue. I want us to give it no fill. Alright, because I don't want us to have any color there. So we then come to the line here. The line here talks about the border line. So you can also do it here, which is labeled here as shape outline. So we come to the line here. So with the line, you can also see that the solid line has been selected. So leave it as it is, because we don't want it to have no line. So with the solid line, just come here and change it to 7, because that's the width I want us to use, 7. And with the color, I want us to customize some color for it. But for now, let's use this one. We'll customize it later. Alright, so with this one, I'm just going to gently, increase the size of it by enlarging it a little. So I think this way is not looking bad. So then I will then place it at the center. So by doing so, I'll then make another copy of it. So something like this. And this time around, I'm just going to gently reduce here. And I'll reduce here also as well. So and then place that one at the center of that one also. But this time around, I'm just going to reduce this one. So let me just make sure it fits well. I will increase it a little. I'll do the same thing applies to this one. Alright, so let me try and align it at the center. So don't leave it the red color, just continue to black. So now what I want us to do here is to go back to the insert tab, go to shapes, and then go to the rectangle again. Just simply draw a rectangle from here to this side. So make sure you reach the end, but I want us to remove the outline first. Okay, let's leave it because we'll need the outline. Make sure to reach here. So from there, just simply go to the outline. We are going to increase the width of it. So you see, as I select the shape like this, the properties will automatically come here because we brought this thing out. So if this thing was not there, you just have to close. Assuming this one was not there, just right click on it again and go to format shape, because this one is a shape, not a background. So just come to the line section. The line section. So the width here, we are changing it to, let's try with 40. And the color, I want us to use this color. So like I said, we don't necessarily want to use this color. So now let's achieve the color that we want to use. So then click on it again and then click on more colors. Once this color has selected, just click on more colors. So when it comes, we're just going to increase the darkness a little. Alright, so you see the new color that we are trying to achieve, and this is the current color. So I'll use this one. So I'll just come to this one also, and I'll choose this color that we just used. Alright, so now with this one, the shape there is the outline that we just customized. I want us to customize the fill itself, that's the shape color itself. So just scroll to the top, we have shape fill here. Just click here and then click on this one. So then click on it again. Okay, I want us to use a gradient fill, not just a solid fill. So with the gradient process, let's choose this color and then customize it one after the other. So with the first one, I'll just take this one and I'll click on it and go back to more colors. Let me do it all. So here I can come to custom color. I want us to achieve some unique color for it. Alright, so I think I'll try with this one. So I'll take the next one. I'll do the same that applies to it. And with the last one, I'm just going to choose this color that we just used. So I will increase here. So I'll take the shape, these two shapes here. I'm selecting both of it and I'm bringing it to the front side. I want us to do it that way because I want us to know the ending side of this shape. So select this shape again. That's the rectangle shape. So when you select it, just go to shape format and then go to edit shape and edit points. Alright, so by doing so, just click on this one, or let's click on this one first and drag it downward. So click on this one also, and I'm bringing that one out instead of down. I'm bringing that one out. Alright, so doing this something like this is not bad. Alright, so let's select the red one that we just choose and change the color. I think this is not bad for me. Alright, so now I want us to go back to the insert tab. And go to text box. We are not going to insert the text box, so just click here to insert it. So the first text box that I want us to insert will be certificate. So just select it this way, and we are going to change the font to Algerian, and the color will be the red here, and the size will go with 44. So align it to the center. So I'll just gently make sure I'll align it here. So now I'm just going to make another copy of this one here. So with this one, that will be of appreciation. So I'm just changing this one to semi-bold, and the size I'll go with 20 of appreciation. The color shouldn't be red, it should be black. Let me increase the size a little. So then make another copy. So with this one, that will be this certificate is proudly presented to, let's try with 20, and the size there will go with the semi-bold, semi-condensed. So align it at the center here. So then make another copy here. So with this one, it's going to be name and then surname. So the font of it will be Edwardian script, and with the size, you can either go with 60 or 66. So I'll go with 66, and I'll again make it bold. So the color also, you can leave it black or you can choose this red right here. So again, take this one and make another copy. So if you make this copy here, this one has to be the description of the letter. I say the letter, the certificate. So to do that, I'm just going to randomly generate a text here. So I want one paragraph of 3 lines. So I'm just going to clear here. It's supposed to be equal sign. One paragraph of 3 lines will be generated. So the font of it will be Calibri, and the size will be 18. So I'll align it here. So then make another copy here. And this time right here is going to be signature, and we will have this there also as well. So I'll first of all bring the signature there. And the font, I'm changing it to this one. So the 18 is too big for me, so I'll make it 16. So I'll make another copy here. Like I said, it will be 2, so this one will be this. So just simply go back to the insert tab. Go to shapes and go and insert a straight line on top of it. So with this straight line, the color should just be black. I have a black color here. I have black color here, so I'll just select it. So I'll just come here and choose black. All are the same. So let me make the width as 1. So I'm not stopping there. You know what I'm to do? I'm just going to make another copy here so that it will be 2. So let's now align it all. So now I want us to insert a medal here. So to insert a medal, I have it in my device. Simply go to insert. Even if you don't have it in your device, just go to the insert tab and go to pictures. So you can insert an online pictures here by clicking here. But I have it in my device, so I'll go with this device. So when you have it in your device, it means that you are working offline. Just double click here to insert the image. So the image will be placed at the right side here. Alright. So as you can see, our certificate looks nice and clean. Thank you so much for watching. See you later in my next video.